Hello everyone, let's try to solve this conversion. So here generally whenever an alkane reacts with HBr, it undergoes electrophilic addition reaction, and here it is occurring in the absence of peroxide. They didn't mention any peroxide here, right? So we'll write the product according to Markovnikov addition. So here two steps occurs. First one is protonation, and in here in carbocation formation takes place. Let's see here. Here we have this HBr, H plus Br negative, right? Protonation occurs and it forms this carbocation. How can you get to know is there any possibility of ring expansion? Means whenever there is a ring, like a 4 member or 5 member ring, and adjacent to that ring, if there is any like positive charge, then ring expansion takes place. All right, so let's do it. Just break this bond and make a bond between this one and this one. Let's see, whenever there is a possibility of ring expansion while writing the product, it's better to give the numbering to this. One, two, three, and you can give as per your wish. I just have given for the reference only. So here we'll get the 5 member ring. Let's draw it and let's give the numbering also. This is 1, and there is a new bond between 1 and 3, right? 4, this will be 5, and this will be 2. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here what will happen, like on carbon 1 there is a methyl group, so that one we need to mention here. And where we'll get the positive charge, here we have broken this bond, right? So positive charge comes on this second carbon. So just let me write it over here again. So this is the our desired one, right? And here also this is secondary carbon, right? And there is a possibility of forming tertiary carbocation. As we know that tertiary carbocation is more stable than the primary, secondary and primary carbocation. So here this hydride shift takes place. Hydride shift takes place, and this will goes to here. And here what we'll get, this tertiary carbocation formation takes place, and then afterwards this Br negative will attack on this carbocation. Finally we'll get this one as a major product. Minor product can be like here only this Br negative can attack, that will be the minor product, but the major product will be this. So I hope you have understood this conversion how to do. And yeah, that's it for this video. And just take care of yourself, and bye.